Every bite, it tastes better and better and better. It must be some kind of magic macaroni and cheese. Welcome to Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube, the special RV Road Tour edition. Today we've arrived in Murray, Kentucky at this really cool place called the HIH Burger Inn. Now this has been here since 1957. Now a restaurant does not survive that long if they're not good. Now, what I understand, you can't get in this place at lunchtime. Luckily, we're here a little bit after lunch, so I hope there's a place for us. We're going to go in here and see what they got to eat. Come on, let's go see. It's called the HIH Burger Restaurant, so you would think you would want to get a burger. But then I come in and they've got plate specials. They've got chicken tenders. They've got roast beef. They've got chili. I just don't know. This is a hard choice here because there's too much stuff. This is a burger restaurant, but I don't think I'm going to go with the burger. I think I'm going with the plate lunch because everything looks good here. Everything's come out. I'm going to go with... If you're not a subscriber to our channel, click that subscribe button. Also get the notification bell. Give us a big thumbs up, like, and give us a comment down below. All those things help the channel. The roast beef.
Brown gravy on that?
Oh, yes. Oh, gravy makes everything better.
Absolutely.
3 sides I'm going to get. Mac and cheese, mashed potatoes, and green beans.
Go big or go home, we got it.
What does the HIH stand for?
So you and everybody in the country asked that question. So I was told that the original owners of the building went to a place called the HIH Inn in Colorado. Like that's where they stay when they vacation. And so when they come back here and they want to open their restaurant, they have kind of a kickback for them. So
that's fun. We ordered our food, and before I turned around, it was here. This place is faster than McDonald's, but home cooked, yum. This smells so yummy. Ooh, that good old fashioned southern, ooh, melts in your mouth. Chose well. Good glazed sweet carrot, infuses of flavor. Oh yes, yes. You can tell these are hand breaded tenders. I see why everybody's ordering those today. That's juicy, good chicken tender. That's not your Burger King chicken nugget. Every bite, it tastes better and better and better. It must be some kind of magic macaroni and cheese. I got these cookies, but there's a problem. They're child-proof. Oh, wow. Now, they told me these are homemade in the back every day. That is just flavor for days. That's the oatmeal chocolate chip. Here, this is just your classic chocolate chip. Not necessarily Toll House, definitely not out of the package. Peanut butter, one of my favorites. See the fork marks? Classic peanut butter. It just tastes so fresh. That's what I would label these cookies as fresh. Okay, here's what I'm going to say. You can't go wrong with ordering anything here, I don't think. If you're ever in Murray, Kentucky, you find this place. Until next time, we'll see ya.